Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I can put 2x minus 1 to the power of 4 and 2x minus number 1. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So number 2 in here, that is for this one, and number 2 in here, that is for this one. And now number 2 and number 2, we have number 4. Because we don't have number 4 in here, so we divide both sides by number 4. So this one, that is about 2x minus 1 to the power of 2, everything to the power of 2. So this one in here, we change for u. This one we change for u. 2x minus 1 ds, we change for this one. Now, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about t. So t equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Number 2 divided by number 4, we have u over number 2. dv, that is about cosine u du. The integration of this one, we have sine u. So we have t multiplied by v minus we have dt multiplied by v. And now we have the integration u sine u. Now we can use about integration by parts again. So we have u multiplied by negative cosine u minus we have dt multiplied by v, negative and negative, we have positive, and now we have the integration cosine u du. This one, that is about sine u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.